Okay, so in this question we were told if 2010 was selected as the base year in a data series dating from 2005 to 2015 and the value in 2010 was 8,450, what would be the index value for 2015 if the value for that year was 7,250? So this question was all about calculating index numbers. Now, of course, when we want to calculate index numbers, we have to find a base year or select a base year first. And when we select a base year, we immediately assign a value of 100 to that base year for its index number. Now, in this particular data set, we know that 2010 is going to be our base year, so immediately we can assign an index value for 2010 of 100. But when we want to calculate index numbers for other years and compare it to that base year, like what we want to do with 2015, to calculate the index value for that, we have to take the other years, divide them by the value in the base year, then we multiply by 100 to get into index number form, and then we round to 2 decimal points. So let's now do that for our particular question. So we're taking 2015 values, so the value in 2015 was 7,250. We want to divide that by the base year value of 8,450. If we do that division, we get 0.85798, multiplied by 100 to convert into an index number, which gives us 85.798. And if we then round this to 2 decimal places, the 8 is above 5, so we round that up, and that causes the 9 to become a 10, which causes us to go to 85.80. So therefore, that is the correct answer.